Hello everyone, today I will introduce our smart lamp. Now I'm opening the package. This is manual. These are components for installation. Tapping screws, anchorings, flathead screws, plugs, wire caps. There is one chassis on the back side we can rotate to take out. Let me start the installation. Firstly, fix the chassis on the ceiling. And different ceiling need different screws. And the chassis is very light, so it's convenient to fix. If you're nervous, don't worry. The plug will help you connect wires. Now we make it ready to use. Connect black to black. Then white wires. It's no need to connect the earth wire because it's plastic lamp. If the wires are blue and brown colors, we connect brown to black. Then connect blue wire to white wire. Finally rotate the lamp to finish installation. Now we can download the Smart Life in the App Store. It's very easy to find this application in many places. Open Smart Life. Register with your cell phone number or email, then log in. Now we can add new device by tapping the plus in the corner and tapping lighting and lighting. Do not choose Bluetooth or Zigbee. Then make the lamp ready to connect like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7 times press, the lamp will start blink. Confirm the light blinks rapidly, then input the Wi-Fi name and password. The cell phone is sending the password of the Wi-Fi to the lamp. Choose one group for it and finish adding. Now we can control the lamp with the Smart Life application. Color, temperature and brightness. Choose the back color you like. The lamp can be controlled by different cell phones. Just log in same account. so the family members can control the lamp together. Left eye mode. The lamp can be turned off after several minutes. The lamp can be programmed. For example, I usually need the light at 19:30 every day. Then I choose every day. Finally save it. Then I add another schedule. I usually fall asleep before 22:30, but sometimes I forget to turn off the lamp, so this function is very useful for me, and it will turn off automatically after I fall asleep. The menu in the corner has more functions, and we can rename it. Let me give it a name, ceiling light. I think group control is more important because we couldn't control all of the lamps one by one. I installed another lamp and renamed it as Kitty. By group control, we can make it much easier, such as changing the color together, and brightness. It's not only controlled by cell phone, it can work with Google Assistant and Alexa. If you have Alexa in your home, here are the steps to connect it with Alexa. Open Alexa app. Tap Skills and Games and search Smart Life. Then tap Enable to use. Then we log in with the Smart Life account in the website. Choose Smart Life. Then authorize it. Now come back to the Alexa app. Discover new device. Then enjoy the voice control with Alexa. Alexa, change ceiling light to warm white.
Okay.
Alexa, change ceiling light to cool white.
Okay.
Alexa, change ceiling light to blue color.
Okay.
Alexa, change ceiling light to yellow color.
Okay.
Alexa, change ceiling light to red color.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off ceiling light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on ceiling light.
Okay.
What if the lamp starts blink by misoperation? Just need to connect it with the cell phone. But if you don't have cell phone at the moment, three minutes later it will stop blinking automatically. The smart lamp works with Wi-Fi, so the lamps and cell phones should be in the range of Wi-Fi signal. One Smart Life account can be used on different cell phones. Thus, every family member can control same lamp. It's no need to create more accounts. This picture showed how it works. For any question, please contact with us. We will do what we can to assist you. Welcome to visit our website and contact with us.